5.4, we're going to once again use data set 2 from Appendix B. Here we would like to predict salary from 3 different variables: education, years of service, and sex. It's analyze, regression, linear. Salary is our dependent variable. We are trying to predict it from education, years of service, and sex. So we put all 3 of those variables in block 1 and click OK to run it. Here our regression equation is that predicted salary is negative 46,257 plus 4175.856 for each year of education, plus 795.05 for each year of service, plus $8,856.78 for having a higher sex.